The MITUTOYO LH600F linear height gauge is renowned for its best-in-class linear measurement accuracy, ensuring outstanding precision across its entire measuring range. Let's take a quick look at what makes the LH600F the most accurate height gauge in precision metrology. The heart of the LH600F precision lies in its photoelectric incremental encoder, allowing for ultra-fine measurement increments even in shop floor applications. Temperature compensation technology further maintains the LH600F's high accuracy despite environmental changes, which is crucial for precision measurements outside a quality control lab. On startup, the LH600F automatically checks for scale contamination and then displays a step-by-step guide through probe compensation to ensure precision is maintained. Finally, the motorized probe assembly performs fine automated adjustments when measuring, providing an improved 2D measurement mode along with better repeatability and reproducibility. All of this advanced technology in one intuitive, easy-to-use system makes the MITUTOYO LH600F one of the most trusted linear height gauges in the industry.